The purpose of this video is to enable and configure the Drupal Admin module on a site. Installation of the Drupal Admin module can be accomplished using Composer and is not shown in this video. Once you have installed the Drupal Admin module on a site, the Drupal Admin module will need to be enabled and configured. Check this box to enable the Drupal Admin module and press the Install button. The Drupal Admin module is now installed and needs to be configured. This checkbox will toggle all functionality on or off. The Drupal Admin module functionality is off by default and should remain off until the site is completely configured and connected to the hub. The Authentication tab shows all of the data that is used to connect the site with the hub. Connecting the site is covered in a separate video. The Roles tab shows which roles the Drupal Admin module will expose to the hub. Any role selected here can be assigned to a user in the hub. Local users can be enabled for selected roles using this toggle. By default, local users are enabled but should be disabled once the site is connected with the hub. This will ensure that all site access for the selected roles is managed through the hub. With the role configuration complete, you can move on to connecting the site to the hub, which is the next video.